Shri Mataji. Balashakti, how are you? You're doing meditation and doing some creative works also. So today we are going to make a box. Box is very much needed whenever we want to give gifts or something. We have to keep very personally, something very nicely. So we can use box. And we can make it out of old cards, or if you have paper, you can make it with that also. So I've taken this old invitation cards and I'm making it. So this type of box, very simple. If we want the stapler, scissors and glue, and old invitation card or wedding card. If you have some colorful papers, we can just decorate for decoration. You can use that also. So we are going to make the box like this. You can keep the things inside it. Okay, just keep things whatever you want to keep it, and you can just close it also like this. Okay, so we can close this box like this. And you can make partition also in that. Okay, see, this box is closed. Okay, so I made it like this. Inside it is an invitation card. So what we have to do, take a square paper, or you can take rectangle also, no problem at all. Okay, now what I have done, very easy way I will show you. That is, take the ruler like this and put it on the end like this. Okay, whatever height you want to take, you can take it and just draw it like this. Here also do it and just draw it. So all the corners will take it, so that there should not be measurement and all. Just take the stick, or you can take any type of thing and just draw the straight line. So exactly we can take it like this, children. Okay, but do it slowly when you are drawing the line. I'm going a little bit far, but you do it. And then just give the slits. Okay, just give the slits like this. Give the slits. Here also give the slits. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken only 4 slits like this. The same thing you do it on the other paper. You make the lines like this. Okay, I've done it with a pencil. So just cut the slits. After cutting the slits, what we have to do is, we have to just take it, this ruler, and just fold it like this. Okay? So do all the corners like this, wherever the line is there, so it will be easily, because it's a thick paper, no? So we have to do it like this. I will show you the another one also, a small box, that the folding will be a little bit different. So we can do it like this. Okay. Now after doing it, children, you have to just take this part and the slit, you have to just take it like this. Just use the stapler over here. Here also take it like this and use the stapler. First, before using, just check the stapler, children. Okay, and be careful when you are doing it. Do it slowly. Craft, whenever you are doing, children, please do it slowly. Okay, the same thing with this, we will do it. So what we have done one outer side, so take one inner side. Okay, take one box outer side, the slit, and one take it inner side. Okay, so we can just close it easily like this. Take it inner side. I'm taking it inner. I'm doing it fast. Be careful with the stapler, children. Okay. Then arrange it properly. Arrange it properly. Just highlight the lines like this. Okay. And apply the glue now. Apply the glue here. After putting the stapler, apply the glue like this. Okay, so it will take some time to stick. Okay, after sticking, it will be neatly done. This will be, the box will be like this. It will go inside. If you stick it properly, then it will take less space and it will be going inside. So box is ready like this, and then you can make the partitions also. If you have some papers, You can just put the partition. You can make it 4 like this, and then you can divide. You can put your earrings, or boys can keep some tools over here, or you can put your color pencils and all, and you can close it also like this. So this type of box. Even in this also I have made it like this, children. See, so just I have put the color paper and I have decorated it, so it can be like this. Okay, I will show you one more very small one. With a small paper and the thin paper you can make it, children. Take one square paper, okay, and just fold it like this. Fold the rectangle properly. See that the corners are together like this. Turn it and make the square like this. Okay, open. You will get a plus sign over here. Just make the doors. We will say that this is a midline, so just make the doors like this. Press it properly. Just press it thrice. Here also like this, and the same thing over here also you can do it like this, children, and like this. Okay, after that, see, so what we will tell, we have just taken this 2 sides to the mid and the upper and down again to the mid. Okay, so we'll close it like this. Now open it like this, so you'll get the shape of the thing box. Okay, now after doing it like this, just fold it like this. Here also fold it like this, children. Like this. Take the corner properly. Take the corner properly. So fold it and press it. Fold it and press it like this. Do it slowly, children. Okay. Now after that, what you have to do is take the inner part like this. Open it. As we used to make house, like this you have to do it. Again, take this part also slowly outside. Here and here. Now it is looking like a double boat. In origami, we used to make a double boat like this. You have to make it like this. Okay. And then what you have to do is, you have to open it and just put it like this. This corner like this. Here also open it like this and just take this corner over here. See, you can apply the glue here, children, or you can just put the stapler like this. So this type of box also so we can add the glue over here so it can stick properly like this. The same thing I have done it. See, when we are doing it like this, take it out. Take it out like this. Take it out like this. Okay, children? Out. And then this sideways. Okay, we have taken out like this. Just sideways we have to open it and fold it. Fold it. You can apply the glue, children. That will be easy for you and you'll be safe. If you don't want to use the stapler, no problem. Use the glue. Okay. Same thing, we'll do it like this. We'll open it like this. We'll apply the glue and we'll stick it like this. Okay. So when we'll open it, it will be like this, children. Okay. So that also the type of box. Okay. Now what, children? We will put the stapler because the glue will take some time to stick. You can do it easily and slowly. I'm just putting the stapler. What we are going to do is, this is the open one. See, children, after sticking it, it will come like this.